A French biotech company developing a new type 2 diabetes drug is opening its American headquarters in Pittsburgh.
Money editor John Delano talked with the company's chair about what it all means.
Diabetes. More than 1 in every 10 adults who are 20 and older has diabetes. And for seniors, it's more like 1 in 4 has diabetes, with type 2 diabetes accounting for over 90% of the cases.
Diabetes is unfortunately rising in prevalence. It's a silent tide that's growing. For example, if you look at the American Diabetes Association and their figures, in 2019, around 37 million Americans, or 11.3% of the population, had diabetes.
Now a French biotech company, Adipo Pharma, is developing a new drug to combat diabetes and is opening its American headquarters at the old AGH Suburban Hospital site in Bellevue.
Delano Pharma is dedicated to have the first product ever to put in humans to tackle insulin resistance itself, to get to the main root of type 2 diabetes. And we think this is going to be a fundamental breakthrough.
Jim Nolan, chair of Adipo Pharma, says physicians today treat diabetes in many ways, but often with the injection of insulin. Adipo Pharma is experimenting with a way ultimately to wean patients off insulin.
The team that we're going to guide out of Pittsburgh are really here to do the clinical work, the clinical trials necessary to get this drug approved and on the marketplace. And all the coordination with that, it's a pretty sophisticated process that involves not just our company, but all sorts of suppliers and groups that help you as you go through that effort. And so we're hoping that we're going to be able to really utilize the expertise in our region to really make this possible and really have the company grow.
Those clinical trials could take years, but Dr. Amit Bhargava, Vice Chief Endocrinologist at the Allegheny Health Network, says it makes sense for Adipo Pharma to make Pittsburgh its U.S. base.
Pittsburgh is really growing as a hub of technology and innovation, and I think it is fantastic that they've chosen us as a location to launch this and hopefully, look at conducting some good clinical trials here.
With an estimated 1.15 million Pennsylvanians with diabetes, there are lots of people here who could take part in Adipo Pharma's clinical trials. John Delano, KDKA News.